Hello, students. Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to read unit number 11, Twelfth Night or What You Will from Oxford Modern English Book 8. This is page number 160 from your book. So we start our lesson. Act 1, Scene 1. Duke Orsino, Duke Orsino's palace. Enter Duke Orsino, Curio, and other lords, musicians attending. Duke Orsino, if music be the food of love, play on, give me excess of it, that surfeiting the appetite my sicken, and so die. That's the train again. It had a dying fall. Or it came or my ear like the sweet sound that breathes upon a bank of violets, stealing and giving a door, enough, no more. 'Tis not so sweet, no, no, as it was before. O spirit of love, how quick and fresh art thou, that notwithstanding thy capacity, received as the sea, not in enters there, or of what validity and pitch soar, but falls into abatement and low price. Even in a minute, so full of shapes is fancy that is alone is high fantastical. Curio, will you go hunt, my lord? Duke Orsino. What curio? Curio, the heart? Duke Orsino. Why so I do, the noblest that I have. Oh, when mine eyes did see Olivia first, methought she purged the air of pestilence. That instant was I turned into a heart, and my desires like fell and cruel hounds ever since pursue me. Enter Valentine. How now? What news from her? Valentine, so please my lord, I might not be admitted, but from her handmaid do return this answer. The element itself, till 7 years' heat, shall not behold her face at ample view, but like a cholistress she will wield walk, and water once a day her chamber round, with eye offending brine, all this to season a brother's dead love, which she would keep fresh and lasting in her sad remembrance. Duke Orsino. Oh, she that hath a heart of that fine frame, to pay this debt of love but to a brother, how will she love when the rich golden shaft hath killed the flock of all affections else that live in her, when liver, brain, and heart, these sovereign thrones, are all supplied and filled? Her sweet perfections with one self king, away before me to sweet beds of flowers, love thoughts lie, rich when canopied with boughs. Accent. Scene 2. The sea coast. Enter Viola. A captain, a sailors. Viola. What country, friends, is this? Captain, this is Illyria, lady. Viola. And what should I do in Illyria? My brother, he is in Elysium. Perchance he is not drowned. What think you, sailors? Captain, it is perchance that you yourself were saved. Captain, oh my poor brother, and so perchance he be. Captain, true madam, and to comfort you with chance, assure yourself after our ship did split, when you and those poor numbers saved with you hung on our driving boat, I saw your brother, most provident in peril, bind himself courage and hope, both teaching him the practice. To a strong mast that lived upon the sea, where like Arion on the dolphin's back, I saw him hold acquaintance with the waves so long as I could see. Viola giving him money for saying so. There's gold. Mine own escape unfolds to my hope, whereto thy speech serves for authority. The like of him knows it's though this country, Captain, madam, well, for I was bred and born, not 3 hours travel from this very place. Viola. Who governs here? Captain, a noble duke in nature as in name. Viola. What is the name? Captain Orsino. Viola. Orsino? I have heard my father name him. He was a bachelor then, Captain, and so is now, or was so very late. For but a month ago I went from hence, and then it was fresh in murmur, as you know, what great ones do the less will prattle of, that he did seek the love of fair Olivia. Viola. What's she, Captain? A virtuous maid, the daughter of a count that died some 12 months since, then leaving her in the protection of his son, her brother, who shortly also died, for whose dear love, they say, she hath abjured the company and sight of men. Viola. Oh, that I served that lady and might not be delivered to the world till I had made mine own occasion mellow what my estate is, Captain, that were hard to compass, because she will admit no kind of suit, no, nor the Duke's. Viola, Viola, there is a fair behavior in the Captain, and though that nature with the beauteous wall doth of close in pollution, yet of thee I will believe thou hast a mind that suits with this thy fair and outward character. I pray thee, and I will pay thee bounteously. Conceal me what I am, and be my aid for such disguise as happy shall become the form of my intent. I will serve this Duke. Exercises A. Comprehension. Answer the following questions. A. Why does Orsino ask the musicians to play on? Answer. Orsino asks the musicians to play on so that he can hear so much of it that he tries of it entirely. B. What is the play on words in scene 1 and how does Orsino twist the meaning? Answer. The play on words in scene 1 is on heart. Orsino is invited to hunt the heart and he twists it to refer to his heart being hunted by his desires. C. From the exchange between Orsino and Valentine, what do you think their relationship is? Answer. From the exchange between Orsino and Valentine, in which Orsino asks him for news and Valentine calls him my lord, we can work out that Valentine is one of Orsino's attendants. D. What does Valentine tell Orsino about Olivia? Answer. Valentine tells Orsino that Olivia hides away in her room crying. E. Who is Olivia mourning and why? Answer. Olivia is mourning her brother because he is dead. F. Why is Viola concerned about what she will do in Illyria? Answer. Viola is concerned about what she will do in Illyria because her brother is not there with her. G. What hope does the captain give Viola? What does he say to console her? Answer. The captain gives Viola hope that her brother survived the shipwreck when he tells her that he saw him tie himself to strong mast. H. How did the captain come by the information he gives Viola about Orsino. Answer. The captain came by the information he gives Viola about Orsino that through rumors and gossip. I. What reason does Viola give for wanting to work for Olivia? Answer. Viola says she wants to work for Olivia so that she can hide away from the world until she feels it is the right time to reveal who she is. J. How does Viola pay the captain a compliment? Answer. Viola compliments the captain by saying that he seems to be a good person. 2. Answer the following with reference to context. A. If music be the food of the play on, give me excess of it. 1. Where do these lines come from? Answer. They are the first lines of the play. 2. Who is the speaker and what does music do for him? Answer. Count Orsino. Music is the food of love and he would like to have his fill of it. 3. Is his desire to hear music temporary? Yes. 4. Why is the speaker in a confused state of mind following this? The speaker in a confused state of mind following this because love makes him restless. It makes him want things and then feel sick of them a moment later, no matter how good they are. B. So please, my lord, I might not be admitted, but from her handmaid do return this answer. 1. Who is speaking to whom? Answer. Valentine is speaking to Count Orsino. 2. Where is it that the speaker was not admitted? Answer. The speaker was not admitted to Olivia's house. 3. Why was the speaker not admitted? Answer. The speaker was not admitted because Olivia is mourning. 4. What was the answer the speaker received? Answer. Olivia has decided not to see anyone 7 years because she is in mourning for her brother. C. My brother, he is in Elysium. Perchance he is not drowned. 1. Who is the speaker and who is being addressed? Answer. Viola is speaking to the captain and the sailor. 2. Where is the speaker? Illyria. 3. What is the reference to Elysium? Elysium? Elysium means heaven. She believes her brother has died. 4. What answer does the speaker receive and in what way is it comforting? Answer. The captain says that he saw her brother tie himself to the mast and this comforts her because it gives her hope that he survived. Quiz. Try to find the information and complete the following. A. Full title of the play, Twelfth Night or What You Will. B. Author, William Shakespeare. C. Type of play, tragedy, historical, etc. It is comedy play. D. Language, English. E. Approximate date written 1601. F. Setting of play, the Kingdom of Illyria. G. Main characters, Count Orsino, Olivia, Viola. H. Characters who do not appear in scene 1 and 2, Olivia, Sebastian and Sir Toby. I. Main theme, what love can make people do. J. Title refers to the festival of Christian. B. Working with words. 1. Try to paraphrase the following in simple English. A. Orsino, I have heard my father name him. Orsino, I have heard my father mention him. B. What country, friends, is this? What country is this, friends? C. My brother, he is in Alzium. Perchance he is not drowned. What think you, sailors? My brother is in heaven. Sailors, do you think there is any chance that he did not drown? D. But like a cholesteress, she will wield walk and water once a day her chamber round with eye offending brine. Instead, she will go around wield like a nun, and once a day she will water her room with tears. E. A virtuous maid, the daughter of a count that died some 12 months since, then leaving her in the protection of his son, her brother, who shortly also died, for whose dear love they say she hath abjured the company and sight of men. A virtuous young woman, the daughter of a count who died last year, her father left her in the custody of her brother, but then he also died. Since then, she has decided to stay away from people in memory of her brother. Dictionary walk to find out what these words mean and use them in sentences of your own. Use them as indicated in brackets. A. Cloister, noun, a covered walk in a convent, college, etc. On the northern side of cloister is another huge building. B. Briny, adjective, of salty water of the sea. Sentence: the briny water is not good for the growth of the trees. C. Sovereign, adjective, meaning a supreme ruler, especially a monarch. Sentence: the Russian Federation declared itself to be a sovereign republic. D. Bower, meaning a pleasant shady place under trees. Sentence: they sat under the leafy bower at the end of the garden and drank tea. E. Duke, meaning a member of a royal group. Sentence: the Duke was the king's most trusted advisor. F. Prattle, meaning talk at length in a foolish way. Sentence: she prattled on about long weekend all evening. G. Abjure, verb, meaning to reject something formally. Sentence: the conqueror tried to make the native abjure their religion and lifestyle. H. Compass, verb, meaning to get into one's power. She seemed not to have compassed all the seriousness of the matter. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.